Now, to be able to win in this new YouTube 2025-2026 algorithm, you need to post a video and your audience need to react positively to that video. That means the first set of people that watch your video are supposed to react positively to that video, are supposed to, for example, watch your video to the very end. That is going to push, that is going to enable YouTube to keep pushing your video to a wider audience. It has worked for me before. I have tested. When I uploaded a video, I told my family members to go and watch that video, and then it performed very well. That is what is making this particular video, to keep performing very well till date. Even though I optimized the video properly and I used a lot of SEO keyword on that video, still the video is performing very well. What I'm saying is that YouTube is now looking at viewers' behavior, how viewers behave to your video. So what I have come up with is to just bring a community of YouTubers. You can join the link on my community tab. You are going to see the link on my community tab. Immediately you finish watching this video, just go to my community tab. I created a Telegram link that will enable you to watch other people's video and support their channel, including your own. Other people are going to watch your own also. So once you are done posting your video, like an hour later, you can post your channel URL. We'll go to your channel and watch your latest video, because the behavior of the way we behave to that video, the way we watch that video to the end and engage on that video and like that video, is going to enable YouTube to keep pushing that video every single hour. And this is a very good thing. I just said, okay, let me come up with this idea that is going to enable people to get their 4,000 watch hour and their 1,000 subscriber on time. If you are a creator that posts long videos, that is long form content, you can join this community. But if you're a creator that posts short, I cannot say for short, I cannot say for live stream. I am only saying for long form content, because what the real thing is that once people watch your video very well on your long form video, you are going to get a lot of watch hour. You can get 1,000 subscriber and you're getting over 200 watch hour. Sorry, you can get 1k views on one video and get over 200 watch hour on that video, and you can still get the same 1k view on a live stream and get just 8 hours of watch time. Just 8 hours. Do you see the difference? The difference is very, very clear. And then you should know this by now, that short form content, that is short video, just video watch hour do not count towards your monetization requirements. It does not count. So we should know this by now. So it's either you are posting long form content or live streaming, and it's the long form content that we want to promote in this community. What you need to do is just tell the people you need to tell, go to the comment section, grow together. If you have not gotten your 1,000 subscriber, put it in the comment section. You guys should support each other, because it is me and you that is going to be watching our own video, that is going to make that video to be pushed to other viewers or new audience. That is what I want you people to do right now. Go to the community tab of my YouTube. That is the first link I post there. Join that link, that Telegram link. You can also join my WhatsApp community there too. So what you need to do is that if you're posting 5 videos a week, put your channel URL there. You have posted a video and it has come up, people should go and watch it. Then when we watch that video to the very end, YouTube is definitely going to push that video. So imagine 10 people in that community has already watched your video to the end. YouTube is definitely going to push that video to more people. That is, if 10 people has watched your video and they behave properly to your video, they commented, they put in good comments, not comment of comments that resonate with the video, comments that is similar to what the video is talking about, and they like the video, definitely YouTube is going to push it to 20 more people. YouTube doubles your views, and then your impression will be going up. That is how YouTube works. Immediately there is a comment on your video, there is likes on your video, and there is a lot of people returning back to watch your video. And now what I've noticed about the new YouTube algorithm is that when people are returning to watch your video, not just one of your video, 2 of your videos, 3 of your video, 4, 5, 6 of your video in a row, it gives the YouTube algorithm a signal that you are doing something great on YouTube, and you know that what YouTube wants is they want viewers to keep watching. They want viewers to stay on their channel and keep watching. That is how they make their money, and that is how you also you are going to make your money on YouTube. So head over now to that community, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.